to coded complex. Today we are going to be seeing the 3 different ways we can add CSS to our HTML documents. Okay, we want to see the ways we can style our HTML document. So of course, before now you've known that we have 3 ways that we can be able to achieve this. The first is the inline, and the second is the internal, while the third is the external CSS. So let's go straight into our screen and see how that works. So this is our HTML document ready. So we are going to be adding, let's say we have a div. Okay, so in this div we want to add welcome to coded complex. Alright, so let's say this is what we have. Of course you can see it here, and we want to style this HTML elements. Okay, so the first way we can do that is using the inline CSS. Now the inline CSS means you would have to use the style attribute. Okay, have to use the style attribute. Let's say we want to add width. Okay, let's say width of 400 px, and then we also want to add a color. Let's say we want to add a color also. Let's use red. Okay, alright, so we've added 2 styles, which is the width and the color, to our HTML document. Of course you can see, but why you cannot see the width is because, okay, let's add background color to this. Let's add a background color so that we'll know. So let's say the background color is green. Of course you can see now we have our div with the width of 400 px, and the color of the text is red, and the background of course is green. So this is how we can style our HTML document using the inline CSS. Now the next one we are going to be looking at is the internal CSS, where we go straight into the head section of our HTML document. Of course this is the head section. So inside of the head section we want to put our style tag there. Okay, we want to put our style tag there, and then inside of this tag we want to style our div, right? And then we'll give it a height. Let's say we're giving it a height of 400 px. Okay, so you can see this is also working. So the style we've given it here now is so let's add another, maybe let's say border. We want to add a border of 5 px solid red. Alright, so you can see the border has been added. So let's go ahead and see the third way we can style our element using external CSS. So this is external CSS we've created here. So we'll go back to our HTML and link this external CSS file, then we'll see how that works. So let's wrap this. Okay, so right here we are going to be using the link element to add our style sheet. Of course you can see this is a style sheet. We are linking a style sheet. So here we are going to use the file path, go into the folder, and this is the tutorial2.css, that is the file name. Okay, so now we are going to be styling this our HTML element right inside of this place. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have a div, and we want to give it let's say border radius. Okay, I want to add a border radius of, let's say, 20 px. So let's see if that works. Of course it's working. And then we want to add padding. we want to add padding, right? If we want to add padding, I'll say 20 px as well. Right.